Today we are going to listen to the song Rain, Rain, go through the finger numbers and the note names. Let's listen to the entire song first. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Let's listen to it one more time. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Now, let's listen to the song as we read it. The song Rain, Rain is read from left to right, just like when you read a regular book. So you start over here. Let's listen to it. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. So the words are rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Could you clap that while you say it? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Clapping the words will help you keep the song in tempo or on the steady beat. Let's name the notes. For rain, rain, when you go to play, you will use F, D, and G. So it goes F, D, F, F, D, F, F, D, G, F, F, D. Here's what it sounds like with just the piano. That's what it sounds like with just the piano. The note names are again F, D, F, F, D, F, F, D, G, F, F, D. And the finger numbers are as follows: 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 5, 4, 4, 2. So 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 5, 4, 4, 2. That's rain, rain with the finger numbers. Let's see it without me saying it. That is rain, rain with just the finger numbers. After that, here's the whole song. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. That is rain, rain in the right hand C position. If you are playing it in the right hand C position, you start with your fourth finger on F. You keep that there, you use your second finger or your pointer finger for D, and you use your fifth finger for G or your pinky on G. Have fun playing Rain, Rain.